Hey, it was supposed to be a good cooking vlog, Akara to be precise, Akara vlog. But look at what I got. Now wow.
Hello guys, welcome to my Trenches kitchen and make Trenches Akara with me. Stay tuned. Mwah.
At this point, I started with the beans, and I've finished washing my beans. This was where everything went wrong. The grinding of it, NEPA, they took light. So I had to go to a commercial engine to grind the beans so that I can make dinner for my family. Only to grind the beans and turn the beans into moi. And they were not supposed to put water. But being that it's not my personal blender now, there is nothing I could do. Because if it were my own, there I would have still said, okay, let me add little water, or let me blend it the way I will be able to to use it. But here, the boy I sent to even go and grind it, is a small boy, couldn't even say anything. They brought back the akara and it was what? It was watery. There was nothing I can do. I already made plans that we will eat akara for the night. It's not even up to moi moi that I will say, okay, let me turn it to moi moi, and it was already late. What will I do? I immediately started stirring my akara now. Anyhow, it will come outside well and we will just eat it. At this point, I was devastated. There is nothing I could have done. This is what happened. After turning, I brought out my vegetable oil. Let me start frying. At first, I went in. I started with spoon. My younger sister was like, this one that you are using spoon like this. This one go good, so it's too watery. Don't use spoon. Don't use spoon. I said, don't worry. Let me start with spoon first. After all, I know I used to buy akara from the roadside. Their own too is watery. But I cannot say if it's watery like this, because they use spoon to cut their own inside the oil. I said, don't worry. This is not my first time of frying akara. It's just that this akara, I don't know, maybe it has family problem. So that is why it's this watery. I could not even beat the boy. I could not even do anything to the boy that went to go and grind it, because I told him, please tell them it's akara. After that way for NEPA finish to bring light, NEPA no gree bring light. It was already dark. I was frying my tin. That's how I was frying my tin. It's just boiling, and I said, it's just this thing. At this point, to even turn the akara is now a problem. To turn it is a problem. God help us, and we were able to turn it later. And look at how it came out. It's looking good. So the second try now, since my sister said, I should stop using spoon, I started using hand. My people, hand is the worst. Hand became the worst. I regretted ever putting my hand into that beans batter to cut it to the oil. The oil was hot. The batter was extremely watery. That was when I know that it was even the spoon that was helping it to be a bit thick. Look at it now. Look at it. Just look at it. By the time you cut the akara into the oil, everything will divide. And this was supposed to be a very good vlog. A cooking vlog that I planned. I said, okay, I will fry akara, I will do this, and I will look at it. Look at what came out. At this point, I was tired. I went to go and wash my hand because I will not try it. I cannot okay. I now started with spoon again. Wait till I go do now. Make the food just make people just see chop. That's just it. At this I don't already they don't make the thing tire me. The akara, I'm tired of it. But there was nothing. I cannot throw the beans batter away. I've already grinded it. I will keep on frying. The thing is fine, sha. And when I tasted it, it was so sweet. But you see this presentation, hell, there is nothing you will tell anybody about this akara that the person we accept it, because the presentation of the akara is not even good. No matter what you put inside now, and the thing is sweet, for you to get somebody that will even taste it is a problem. Look at it. It came out like this. So my people, this is how the akara came out. It's very tasty. If you are here to taste it with me, the akara is very tasty. Is sweet, and is good. It's good. So this was how it came out. This is the end product of what we are frying. And I personally called the boy that went to go and grind it for me. I gave it to him. Now, look at it. Here I was eating. Bye. And eat it with what? With sugar and garri. What will I do? Thanks for watching, Jare. See you in my next video. Bye.